Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. All the praises and thanks for Almighty Allah. Peace and blessings of Allah be upon Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Dear students, very warm welcome to our today's English class. Alim second year, English second paper, Sonagazi Islamia Senior Degree Madras. Today our topic is subject verb agreement and right form of verb. Our topic is right form of verb and subject verb agreement. This is an important topic. Very important topic. If we study this chapter, we will be able to learn many corner of English. Many things are involved in this topic. So, you should be interested and in this topic, we should study very deeply this topic. I will show you some example here. Let us see one by one. As I told you, our topic is right form of verb and subject verb agreement. This one by one I shall show you by indicating stage. This is our indicating stick. Indicating stick, I shall show you one by one. Let us see here. Number one, he within bracket be coming now. There are 4 sentences like this. Inside bracket there are 4 sentences. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 sentences. Be is within bracket. So, how to do this? How will any complete? Be, here also be, here also be, here also be, here also be. But we will replace by 4 different things. We will replace by 4 different things. Number 1, he be coming now. We must give attention to the now. We must give attention to the now. Now is the symptom of present continuous tense. Now is the symptom of present continuous tense. So, we should put here is. He is coming now. He is coming now. Number 2, also be here. The same thing, coming now, but only subject is changed. Subject is changed. There was he before, now it is they. We must follow carefully. So, they is plural. So, we should replace be. Be means be verb. Am, is, are, was, were. These are called be. Be means be verb. Here be means be verb. Am, is, are, was, were are called be verb. So, here we should give are. Before we replaced by is because subject was singular. So, is singular. They is plural. Here subject is plural. So, we should replace by plural verb. We should replace by plural. That takes are. and now is the any symptom of sign of present continuous tense. Sign of present continuous tense, the swar. Then let us have a look to the number 3. Let us have a look to the number 3. If you see carefully, it is very interesting. If you see carefully, it is very interesting. Same thing, B. Same thing. Then we will give here was. Why? Why was? There is a question. It is here is, why it is was here? Because then is the symptom of past continuous tense. Then is the symptom of past continuous tense. We must always look at the symptom. All these are called symptom. Now, just now, tomorrow, yesterday, like this, then, that time, like this. These are called symptom. We have to look to the symptom. By the symptom, we will understand which verb. Verb should be present or verb should be past. Verb should be singular or verb should be plural. That's why we must take a look to the symptom, to the clue. Was. This is number 3. Then number 4. The same sentence. Be going, that time. That time. Again, this is the symptom. This is the symptom. This is the clue. We will give, replace be here as per this. That also symptom of past continuous tense. That also symptom of past continuous tense. Past continuous and this is plural verb. So, we will replace by where. Be will be replaced by where. So, we have to think the almost same 1, 2, 3, 4. Hey, everywhere is B, 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 B. But first time we replaced by is, second time we replaced by are, in third sentence we replaced by was, and in fourth sentence it is replaced by where. Due to the clue, due to the symptom. Now is the symptom of present continuous, and the then and that are the symptom of past continuous. So, I hope it is clear. I hope it is clear. Let us go to number 5. Let us go to number 5, 6, 7. These are almost same. I hope everybody will give attention. I hope. These almost look same. I do the work, I do the work, I do the work. 100% same. But here it is different. In the number 5 is just now. Number 6 is tomorrow, and number 7 is yesterday. So, we will replace this do as per this symptom. Within bracket do, within bracket do, within bracket do. This do will be replaced as per symptom. So, let us see one by one. Just now is the symptom of the present perfect tense. Just now is the symptom of is the clue of the present perfect tense. The present perfect tense I have. Done. Then tomorrow. Tomorrow is the symptom of future tense. Tomorrow is the symptom of future tense. Then I shall do. And yesterday. Yesterday is the symptom of past indefinite tense. Past indefinite. So then do will be replaced by verb to. Past indefinite tense takes verb to. Past indefinite tense takes verb to. Do, did. This is verb to. I mean the past form of the verb. Past form of the verb we can call in another name verb to. So the same sentence taken have done, shall do and did due to symptom. Due to symptom. These are indicates the tenses. Okay, let us come to number 8. Number 8, while. The rule is that if the verb follows immediately after while, if the verb is immediate after while, then verb takes ing. This is verb, go is verb. If verb is immediate after while, we will mind here, we will give attention to the while here, while. So verb is immediate after while verb, then the verb takes ing with the verb. While going to madrasa, I saw a snake. Then here different. Number 9 is different, little different from 8. There also while, but after while there is subject and verbs go after that. Here verb was immediate after, here not immediate after, here after subject. So the rule is if subject is followed by while, if subject is followed by while, then the sentence should be past continuous tense. If the subject is followed by while, then the sentence should be past continuous tense. So we can do while she was going. This is the difference. Here while going, because there was no verb here, there is a verb. So if there is a verb, if there is a subject after while, then it should be past continuous tense. So while she was going to madrasa, she saw a dead cow. This is 9. Let us go to number 10. Number 11. This is also very interesting rule. Also very interesting rule. Dear students, dear Alim, a second year student, Islami, Sonagazi Islami, Senior Fazil Degree Madrasa, English second paper. Dear students, follow mindfully. Follow mindfully. This is also very interesting rule. See, here the question of singular and plural. Singular and plural. If there is two the. In this sentence only one the. If one the, then the sentence is singular. If one the, then the sentence is singular. We have to choose either is or are. We have to choose one, only one, not two. We have to select only one from this. Within bracket there are is and are. We have to select only one. Here will be is. Why there will be is? Because the subject is singular. The man who is principal, he is also secretary of the committee also. The only one man, the only one person. The one who is principal of the institution, he is also made the secretary of the committee. So, he is only one man, so singular. Singular is. Singular is. As I told you little earlier, that there are very easy to understand. I think very easy to understand. We look at the. We look at. So if there are two the, 1, 2, then the means principal is one person and the secretary is another person. There are two persons here. If two the means there are two persons here. So if there are two persons, then the verb will be plural. Two person, the principal is one person and the secretary is another person. There are two persons here, plural, so we will take plural. So it is very easy, I hope. It is very easy, I hope. These are some few rules I have shown you. I hope you will all take opportunity of our online class, and of course we should not forget that we should study hard at home. There are some more rules also. So please study at home and build yourself. Thank you. That's all for today from Sonagazi Islamia Senior Fazil Degree Madrasa, Alim second year, English second paper. Thank you. I wish all the best for all of you. Thank you. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum.